If you can't read for 10 minutes, your focus is under attack. Think about it. A few years ago, people could sit with a book for hours. Today, many people struggle to finish even a few pages. So, what changed? Did books become boring? Yes. No, your brain changed. Every day you are surrounded by notification, short videos, and endless scrolling and constant stimulation. Every swipe gives your brain a quick reward. Something new, something exciting, something effortless, and slowly your brain starts expecting that speed all the time. That's why reading feels difficult. Not because books are boring, but because books move at a different pace. Reading requires patience. You have patience. Think about it. Focus and deep thinking. Things that social media rarely ask from you. The scary part, when you lose the ability to focus, you don't just struggle with books, you struggle with learning, you struggle with productivity, you struggle with achieving meaningful goals. But here is the good news, your focus can be trained again, just like a muscles. Yes, just like a workout. Start small. Read 5 page every day. No phone, no notification, no distraction. Then slowly increase it. 5 pages become 10. 10 become 20. And before you realize it, reading becomes enjoyable again. Because every page you read it, teaching your brain something valuable, how to focus. And in a world full of distraction, focus is a superpower. This is open mind, and this is just the beginning. Thank you for watching this video.